Whoever invented this gigantic tracked wheel must have been incredibly talented. The excavator, at first glance, appears cumbersome and even somewhat humorous with its unbalanced body and massive tracks. Its appearance is a bit peculiar, not exactly pleasing to the eye, but its utility is truly impressive. Thanks to those tracks, the excavator can easily cross rivers and operate smoothly on any rugged terrain. Though oddly unattractive, watching it conquer each challenge reveals that looks aren't everything. The true value lies in its strength and efficiency.